Hi everyone, today we're testing the 2KW 60V motor, plus matching controller combo, small power but super practical, from wiring to operation, we'll show it all. First, wire the key lines, 3 wires total. Key wire for power on, off, accelerator wire for power control, gear wire for direction. Ports match clearly, even beginners can do it. Power on test. Motor runs fast and forward, stable power, reverse speed is slightly slower, direction switch is smooth, perfect for daily use. Kilowatt 60V combo, easy wiring, stable operation, fit for small tricycles or commuter vehicle mods. Want details? Leave a comment below.